Wait. I'll go for it. You can change it after, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. And go. So, just in case you're wondering, I'm not Jacob. But it's fun to know you're gay, Jacob, because I've, like most people, always wanted to know what it'd be like to have sex with myself. Maybe we can hook up. But no, my name is David, and I'm from Dagenham. That's very nice, Jack, but I know you're not from Dagenham. And you don't have to do that. It's not fair for me to expect a reaction from that.
Most payout, baby.
Oh, you're just trying to get in the freeway with me and Jacob. But, most people, I'm assuming here, never heard of Dagenham. You don't know where it is. And unfortunately, this it is East London. You do know. Excellent. This is a fun crowd. But yeah. It is. It's in fact East London. It's so far east that even the people that live there stand around saying, "Are you sure we're still in London?" But it is. It's London Borough. Fun facts: not only is it the largest council estate in London, it's the largest council estate in Europe, which, as far as things go, is like being the most ethical product sold by Nestle. So excited, dude. Or if you want to put it another way, if Dagenham had a mascot, it would be a naked, middle-aged man cry-wanking into a wet flannel. There are, of course, people that do know where Dagenham is and what it is. They just know that you should not woo for Dagenham. But it's not in the nature of someone from Dagenham to self-identify. It feels too much like grassing. And for me, it's doubly unusual because of the term Dagenham Dave. Hopefully you're unfamiliar with this because it is a derogatory term. But it's also quite a fun joke, which I'm going to share with you tonight. But it's not the fact that people use it as insults. I mean, look at me, I expect insults in life. And hard tonight. What's this? Crazy crowd. But I mean, I look like the fat controller if he lost his job. A lot of people like to tell me I look like a fat Prince William if he had to take on work as a labourer. Stop on. This is an unworkable room. We're never going to get to Dagenham Dave. And before I lost my hair in an unfortunate accident, I used to look like a fat Macaulay Culkin in the star of the film Homeless and Alone. Jesus Christ. But it's not the insults.
Sorry, can I ask you a question?
No.
Why does everybody have a friend named Dave?
Oh, dude, no. We're coming to that. Listen to next man.
Nathan! Put a dick in his mouth!
No! 50p! 50p!
Put a dick in his mouth! God!
So, yeah, back to Dagenham Dave, right?
Yeah!
The mic's not working.
Put it in!
Yeah. I'm just going to talk. If you can't hear it,
shove it in!
I'm going to get it shoved in. But, shall I show up on the cat? You know,
Yeah!
So, yeah, most people think Dagenham Dave is just a way of saying that you have a common name and you come from a low-rent park town. Within this group, I include at least 2 mothers of girlfriends that I've had over the years that have called me Dagenham Dave in introduction. What I say about that is I have gone on to break the hearts of the daughters of those mothers with a 100% success rate. Other people think it comes from the titles of some popular songs, most famously would be Morrissey. That doesn't sound too bad, but looking at the lyrics, Morrissey chose to start his Dagenham Dave song with the lyrics, "His head's in the clouds and his mouth for the pie." And I take umbrage with that because I'm not that tall. The truth, just to wrap this up, is if you do want to use Dagenham Dave, it's a regional joke, just a way of calling somebody crazy. Comes from an older term which you should be familiar with, which is to call someone barking mad, often just shortened to barking. If you don't know this one, feel bad about yourself, I haven't got time. And to get the joke, all you need to know is the next town over from Dagenham is Barking. So you're supposed to say, I don't know if this guy's crazy, but he's only one stop short of barking. Dagenham Dave. And I'm not going to do my wrap up, but thank you very much.